We're down the street like that. It's going on his head. I see it coming. Alfred, where do you find friends like these?
He found me.
Brooklyn.
Aww.
Is this what you do in school?
It's gay! Mommy!
I want to touch it. Oh my gosh, that.
Yay!
You're gonna have to send me that video.
No.
Mommy.
Ride your skateboard down the road like that. That'll be fun. Fun, fun, fun.
Oh, there's someone coming.
Oh, wow. He's gonna hurt himself.
Run, trash bag boy! Run! Run!
Someone coming?
No. Stay right there. Hole. Dude, it's like creature versus alien versus person. That's why they have the label. Keep away from pixels.
You're right under there.
Let's get our bombs and start